Hey guys, this is Ali here from Ephlux, and as we wrap 2025 and enter into 2026, I have one key message for the enterprise leaders, both on the technology side as well as on the business side. I know there's been so much AI slop over this year. There's been so much thrown at you. While you're sitting with your enterprise architectures and the business models that you are currently pursuing and looking at all this chaos and saying, what do we do out of all this? One thing that you have to ensure is don't keep stuck at what you've been doing. However, having said that, we all know there have been a lot of failures in adoption of AI within the enterprise. The reason for that is not that AI is bad. We can all see that in our personal lives. We see smaller businesses and startups adopting it at a crazy speed. The problem is that a typical enterprise technology foundation is not built for that sort of chaotic experimentation that AI allows you to do. Because as an enterprise, your key priority is to keep the lights on, have everything under governance, everything compliant. So those things are critical. At the same time, you cannot just wait and watch all these smaller, more agile competitors adopt this. So it's kind of that paradox right now for a CIO and for the business executives at larger enterprises that we work with. They have to make sure they get that foundational layer sorted out as soon as possible. A no-code foundation that can connect to all their enterprise systems, including their core ERP systems, as well as other applications, either in-house or on the multi-cloud. Once that no-code foundation layer is sorted, then you can have those AI experiments done on top of that. So think of a no-code foundation plus AI autonomy, because the combination of that no-code and AI gives you that edge of compliance and autonomy and agility to connect all of that and do quick experiments that are going to create the business outcomes for you. So platforms like Ephlux Swift are built for that, where this no-code and AI paradigm, we've combined that to make sure your agility is not compromised and your compliance is bulletproof. So the combination of that no-code and AI allows you to have both agility and compliance in your innovation. I hope that makes sense, but if it doesn't make sense, let me make it one thing very clear. This is not a waiting game. So you have to move forward, but you have to do it in a careful way. So you have to start investing in that no-code foundation layer and then start introducing those AI experiments on top of it. Because if you stay still, everybody's moving fast, as you can all see. But if you do a hasty, wrong decision, you're going to be in a worse place than where you are right now. So with that, happy new year, happy 2026. All you need is the courage to have that foundation sorted out as soon as possible. And all your subject matter experts and your line of business users need a permission to innovate at the speed of thought. Bye-bye.